When developing the concept for Local Living Realty Group, I had one crucial thing in mind: to educate buyers and sellers on the importance of using a realtor who is local to the area where they are shopping or selling in. Our professional team of realtors reside here full-time and have children and family who attend the schools and churches in the area. We have a reputation here to uphold. At Local Living Realty Group, we believe in the importance of being authentically embedded into the fabric of our community in order to serve our clients' specific needs. As a requirement of our licensure, realtors are expected to be honest and ethical. These are basic practices our team upholds. The real magic happens behind the scenes and through the actions that set us apart. What you do not always see is us getting up earlier and going to sleep later than most. Our days are spent attending to our clients' every need around the clock, filling our minds with knowledge to help us better represent you, and implementing some of the most technologically advanced tools in our industry to arm ourselves with the power to best serve you and your real estate needs like none other. We have strategically put together a diverse team of individuals who work together to dominate our industry. With expertise spanning from new construction start to finish, first-time buyers, investment, retirees, relocation, and even an agent who specializes in staging, which has proven a higher sale price. We are committed, determined, and work tirelessly to carry on our reputation. We are dedicated to not just closing deals or increasing some production number, but to building lasting relationships with satisfied clients who allow us to serve them for years to come.